Hey, welcome, DeechQuest here. In this episode, the story continues of my tour of Southern California, Oregon, and the Pacific Coast Route. On the previous episode, windstorm at night, tunnel, back to climbing, more wildlife, Will Saga returns, and the worst headwinds. The fire station where I stayed requests bike travelers depart by 7 a.m. Trying to honor that, I awake early and spread my tent out to dry it from the heavy morning dew. I scramble to fix my broken spoke, making sure to mark the one replaced. This helps me to track and diagnose the issues. So far, it's consistently on the same side, but always a different spoke. My wheel spoke stress and the rush to depart drops my already wavering morale even further. I'm hitting the wall, and at an emotional low point of the tour. The wind's already picking up too. I don't know about this. I'm just starting to have bad, low confidence right now. I need to shorten this day to get my wheel permanently addressed. Physical rest after 14 consecutive days of riding will also help. Today's ride is my shortest since the first day of the tour. I depart Guadalupe and travel through farmlands. After passing through the small town of Colander, I return to the coast at Grover Beach. I reach Pismo Beach where I plan to stay until I can get my wheel fixed. Want to see some hard workers? Man, these guys are beating it out in the field. They're not messing around. I'm inspired by these hard and fast-working people. I have so many doubts right now. I don't know if doubt's the right word. I'm just feeling down, frustrated, can't focus on just enjoying the trip. I am enjoying it a lot, and I definitely don't want to quit. It's just, when you can't count on your equipment, it's really just, it's one thing about like fixing something and then, okay, it's fixed. I don't have to worry about that. This is like constant battle every day, in addition to the writing and video recording and camping, set up, tear down, figuring out where you're going. I know a lot of people do it, and I feel driven to always make it far. I want to go every day, which I have, but I think I really need a rest day and I don't know, rethink about things. I call my wife in hopes that she's still somewhere nearby and hasn't left for home yet. She is still nearby and will attempt to find a hotel so that I can regroup before moving on. Lots of agriculture here too, in this area. Just like in the south, or further south. I know I'm getting tired when I'm even dreading these little hills. On this downhill stretch, I live on the edge, pressing speeds more than I have since my wheel issue started 8 days ago. I have no faith in my wheel, and I just hope it doesn't fall apart.
My wife calls and lets me know she found a hotel. It's only 4 miles up the road from here. Made it to the hotel. It's time to regroup. This hotel is right on the beach and has an ocean view. It's a treat and a great place to reset and relax. We get some dinner and spend the evening exploring Pismo Beach. It's Monday, but it's a holiday, and the bike shops are closed. Tomorrow's mission? A permanent fix for my rear wheel. I hope tomorrow brings me new energy and a solution for trouble-free travels. On the next episode, lots of spokes, leaving Pismo, San Luis Obispo, and Morro Bay.
Wind already. Unbelievable. Almost got a nail. I barely missed it. It was very damp last night and this morning. Lots of dew, so everything's soaked. Not soaked, it could be worse. It makes me think about what it's going to be like when I hit the rainy climate. Everything's going to be soaked. That'll be real misery. It could be a lot worse than this.